My name's Katherine. I live with my husband and 2 children, and we've lived here since 2011. Our old kitchen was actually cream. It was a cream gloss kitchen, much smaller than the kitchen we've got, and we decided to extend the property and get a completely brand new kitchen. There were certain aspects of it that didn't really work as well. We didn't have any high units, which sounds strange, but it was just the way the walls were in our old kitchen that we didn't have any really facility to have anything high, so I was continually bending all the time. So to have high units and high cupboards, as well as the drawers obviously. When we visited County Kitchens, we went in with quite an open mind about the type of kitchen that we wanted. So we initially started looking through some examples of other kitchens, and we saw a kitchen that we really liked, and we basically then worked on the basis of trying to get our kitchen to look like that. We had friends who'd gone to County Kitchens, and it was actually the only kitchen company we went to. We met with Susan because Susan was the lady that had helped our friends, so they allocated us to have Susan to work on our project, so it was great. We met with her, sat down, and she just talked with us about different options. From that point on, she could then start to put into the design where we wanted to have the sink. We knew we wanted that overlooking the garden. Did we want an island? Did we want a hob? Did we want anything on the island? And there are so many different options. And then she produced a brilliant design for us to look at, which then brought everything to life for us. If I was to suggest to any friends having a new kitchen, if they're doing an extension, is to have all of your plans with you when you go in to see the designer, because then they know exactly your measurements, exactly where you may want things, and then going forward it really helps in terms of the planning for plumbing, for electrical points, if you know all of that. The favourite part of the kitchen for me is having it as the central point of the home. Everyone that comes in thinks our kitchen is amazing, but I think the island for me works really well. It's really sociable. The children use the island, they sit on it to eat, they sit on it to do their homework, and I have a completely clear island. I don't have a sink or a hob on mine, so it's such a big space to utilise and just brings it as a central point for us as a family. Our experience with Sigma 3 was fantastic. Susan was brilliant. She was endlessly patient with all the different questions I had for her, ringing her up. She never seemed to get frustrated or annoyed with me, so that was absolutely brilliant. She was so helpful. Ralph was really brilliant in terms of liaising on the fit and so on. So I would thoroughly recommend Sigma 3, and I have recommended them already to friends and family in the area.